Welcome to EDO Aero Classroom. In this tutorial, we will see what steps we should follow while expressing the trigonometric ratio in terms of angle. There are some steps. First step says that if we have to see whether the given angle is positive or negative. If it is negative, make it positive using identities such as sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta, cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta, and tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta, etc. If given angle is negative. Second step, it says that express the positive angle which is obtained in SF first in the form that is alpha is equal to 90 into n plus minus theta. That is in the form of pi by 2. We have to express n means any multiple, let's say 1 to and infinity, any multiple which we multiply by 90 and add theta become in the form of alpha. Third step says that determine the quadrant in which the terminal side of the angle lies. In which angle lies. Fourth step says that determine the sign of the given trigonometric function in the quadrant obtained in the step third. In this step, we will see which trigonometric function will be positive in that quadrant or which will be negative. Assuming positive or negative trigo function according to quadrant. Next step says that next step, if n in step 2 is an odd integer, that if this n is an odd integer, then sin alpha will be plus minus cos alpha cos theta. Cos alpha is equal to plus minus sin theta. Tan alpha is equal to plus minus cos theta, and sec alpha will be plus minus sec theta, and cosec alpha is equal to plus minus cosec theta. And the sign on right hand side, that is this sign, will be the same obtained in step 4. That is this according to quadrant which we obtain in step 4. And if n is an even number, sin alpha is equal to plus minus sin theta, and cos alpha will be plus minus cos theta, tan alpha will be plus minus tan theta, sec alpha is equal to plus minus sec theta, and so on. And the sign of the right hand is the sign obtained in step 4. This is the algo which we will follow. Now let us see an example in which we will follow this step and find out the angles. In this example, it is given that there is an equation. We have to prove this equation to equivalent to 1 trigonometric ratio. Firstly, we will convert negative function into positive by using this considering left hand side, which will be sine minus 420 degree cos 390 degree plus cos of minus 660 degree to sine 330 degree. This will be equal to first step, this will be minus 420 degree cos 390 degree plus cos 660 degree sine 330 degree, because as we know that sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Now converting this into form of alpha is equal to 90 into n plus minus theta, this will come out to be minus sine 90 into 4 plus 60 degree cos 90 into 4 plus 30 degree plus cos 90 into 7, 90 degree. These are all degrees. 90 into degree into 7 plus 30 degree into sine 90 degree into 3 plus 60 degree. This will come out to be, this is an even multiple. Here n is an even multiple, so this will be minus As we can see, the quadrant is second quadrant in which these trigonometry ratios are lies because 90 plus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine theta and cosec theta is positive. All others are negative. So this will come out to be positive. Yes, this will be minus sine 60 degree, and this will be negative. Cos theta will be negative. So this will be cos 30 degree. By following above rules which we have discussed, this will be sine 30, and this will be minus cos 60 degree, which is equal to minus root 3 by 2 minus into root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2, which is equal to minus 1. Hence 2. Sine, because we know that value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2, value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2, value of sine 30 is 1 by 2, value of cos 60 is minus 1 by 2. Sorry, 1 by 2. And putting these values, and after solving this equation, we get minus 1. So this is our question, solution of this question.